初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm looking for a room.
I'm looking for a room.
我在找一间房。
I'm looking for a room.
I'm looking for a room.
Do you have any listings?
Do you have any listings?
你有房源信息吗？
Do you have any listings?
Do you have any listings?
Is this room still available?
Is this room still available?
这个房间还空着吗？
Is this room still available?
Is this room still available?
I need a one-bedroom place.
I need a one-bedroom place.
我需要一个单间。
I need a one-bedroom place.
I need a one-bedroom place.
What's the monthly rent here?
What's the monthly rent here?
这里的月租是多少？
What's the monthly rent here?
What's the monthly rent here?
Are utilities included in rent?
Are utilities included in rent?
房租包含水电费吗？
Are utilities included in rent?
Are utilities included in rent?
Can I see some pictures?
Can I see some pictures?
能看看照片吗？
Can I see some pictures?
Can I see some pictures?
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
我什么时候能搬进来？
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
Is the location near downtown?
Is the location near downtown?
位置靠近市中心吗？
Is the location near downtown?
Is the location near downtown?
Is it furnished or empty?
Is it furnished or empty?
带家具还是空房？
Is it furnished or empty?
Is it furnished or empty?
I want to see the apartment.
I want to see the apartment.
我想看看公寓。
I want to see the apartment.
I want to see the apartment.
How big is the bedroom?
How big is the bedroom?
卧室有多大？
How big is the bedroom?
How big is the bedroom?
Is the kitchen shared?
Is the kitchen shared?
厨房是公用的吗？
Is the kitchen shared?
Is the kitchen shared?
Is there a laundry room?
Is there a laundry room?
有洗衣房吗？
Is there a laundry room?
Is there a laundry room?
Is smoking allowed inside?
Is smoking allowed inside?
允许室内吸烟吗？
Is smoking allowed inside?
Is smoking allowed inside?
Can I bring my pet?
Can I bring my pet?
我能带宠物吗？
Can I bring my pet?
Can I bring my pet?
I need a parking spot.
I need a parking spot.
我需要停车位。
I need a parking spot.
I need a parking spot.
Can I sign a short lease?
Can I sign a short lease?
能签短期租约吗？
Can I sign a short lease?
Can I sign a short lease?
When does the lease start?
When does the lease start?
租约什么时候开始？
When does the lease start?
When does the lease start?
How do I pay the rent?
How do I pay the rent?
怎么付房租？
How do I pay the rent?
How do I pay the rent?
The heater is not working.
The heater is not working.
暖气坏了。
The heater is not working.
The heater is not working.
The sink is leaking again.
The sink is leaking again.
水槽又漏水了。
The sink is leaking again.
The sink is leaking again.
My door lock is broken.
My door lock is broken.
我的门锁坏了。
My door lock is broken.
My door lock is broken.
There's mold on the wall.
There's mold on the wall.
墙上有霉菌。
There's mold on the wall.
There's mold on the wall.
The lights won't turn on.
The lights won't turn on.
灯打不开了。
The lights won't turn on.
The lights won't turn on.
The toilet is blocked again.
The toilet is blocked again.
马桶又堵了。
The toilet is blocked again.
The toilet is blocked again.
I need urgent repair help.
I need urgent repair help.
我需要紧急维修。
I need urgent repair help.
I need urgent repair help.
Can someone fix it today?
Can someone fix it today?
今天能派人修吗？
Can someone fix it today?
Can someone fix it today?
I already called the landlord.
I already called the landlord.
我已经联系房东了。
I already called the landlord.
I already called the landlord.
Please come as soon as possible.
Please come as soon as possible.
请尽快过来。
Please come as soon as possible.
Please come as soon as possible.
I live next door.
I live next door.
我住隔壁。
I live next door.
I live next door.
Can I borrow your toolbox?
Can I borrow your toolbox?
能借你的工具箱吗？
Can I borrow your toolbox?
Can I borrow your toolbox?
Sorry for the noise yesterday.
Sorry for the noise yesterday.
抱歉，昨天吵到你了。
Sorry for the noise yesterday.
Sorry for the noise yesterday.
Let's keep the hallway clean.
Let's keep the hallway clean.
咱们保持走廊干净吧。
Let's keep the hallway clean.
Let's keep the hallway clean.
Your package is by the door.
Your package is by the door.
你的包裹在门口。
Your package is by the door.
Your package is by the door.
There's mail for you here.
There's mail for you here.
这儿有你的邮件。
There's mail for you here.
There's mail for you here.
Do you want to share Wi-Fi?
Do you want to share Wi-Fi?
要共享 WiFi 吗？
Do you want to share Wi-Fi?
Do you want to share Wi-Fi?
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
这周末有空吗？
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Let me know if you need help.
Let me know if you need help.
需要帮忙就告诉我。
Let me know if you need help.
Let me know if you need help.
Nice talking to you, neighbor.
Nice talking to you, neighbor.
很高兴和你聊天，邻居。
Nice talking to you, neighbor.
Nice talking to you, neighbor.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。